Okay, we will read together. Dan and his cat. Dan has a pet cat. The cat is Pat. Pat has a cap. It naps on the mat. Dan taps on the mat. Oh, how Dan loves his cat, Pat. Okay, we will read it again. Dan and his cat. Dan has a pet cat. The cat is Pat. Pat has a cap. It naps on the mat. Dan taps on the mat. Oh, how Dan loves his cat, Pat. Okay, this time I want you to read the story. Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the questions. Okay, question number 1. Who has a pet cat? Okay, I want you to get a piece of paper, then you write your answer. Who has a pet cat? Number 2. What is his pet's name? What is his pet's name? Number 3. Where does Pat nap? Where does Pat nap? Number 4. What does Pat have? What does Pat have? Number 5. What is Dan's pet? What is Dan's pet? Okay, let us try to check if your answer is correct. Okay, let's have number 1. Who has a pet cat? Okay, the answer is Dan. Okay, kindly look at if your answer is correct. Number 2, what is his pet's name? Okay, his pet's name is Pat. Number 3, where does Pat nap? Okay, the answer is on the mat. What does Pat have? A cap. What is Don's pet? Okay, what is your answer? Okay, very good. Don's pet is a cat.